Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. We are going to be drawing a person lying down from an angle where the arms and the face are showing. And if you have your pencil dot set, we will get set and get going. So we will start off with an oval, which is essentially the head, and the placement of this can actually vary. It can be like a little bit downward, or looking completely down, or looking straight, and that is the beauty of doing this pose. So again, depending on the bulk or the frame of the person, we will of course explore that as well a little bit. But we need, so that's like an overturned Toyota logo. So, but an oval though, an oval, and we need another oval right here. So as you might have guessed, that these are essentially the shoulders. So what we'll do is, we'll go, because the idea is to place the hand right here. So we have one hand, so just have a bell shape, a bent bell, or it could be just a bell by itself, and another bell shape right here. And then from this bell shape, which is right under the head, or in this case it's still an oval, we'll work our way backwards like this. So curve, elbow, and we go back inward like that. Similar exercise here. We go here, that, and like that. This can be inward even more depending on what kind of frame the person has and how bulky or how thin. So what we'll do is, since this hand, in this case is the thing that is in the front, I'm going to do a forearm right here. Now I do not have outstretched fingers, so you can go with sausages like that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that little bend going for the smallest finger, the littlest finger, the smallest finger. Just stop short there, and then small strokes and light strokes. Small, like that, and light, and then we come all the way backward into the elbow, go there, and we go along that little bulge there, and that's it. And then we come back here, and like that. So if he's a little defined in terms of muscle, then you could of course keep on packing the details, make this rounder, make this more defined, have, like all the musculature like coming in and showing through, but not essential practice in this case. And then right here, now you could draw the fingers outstretched. It might give it more character, but it won't necessarily be accurate. Mostly when we have this pose going, if we are lying down, chin first into the hands and lying on our bellies, mostly the hands end up in this position unless one is sleeping. But here I'm not necessarily showing somebody catching a nap, I'm just showing somebody lying down, perhaps just relaxing, or in a conversation. So you could change this around as much as you want. I have gone and done that, but again, you could have, so I'm just trying to match the proportion here, and there we have the essential details put down. So of course, if he's wearing clothing, if he has clothing, then it's still yet a different story. Now from here is where the fun begins. So we could have him look up straight at us. Right. So in which case, of course, we would have the face going up, and of course you would have some like necklines if those are showing, but there must be some details showing. So maybe like shoulder blade lines and then a little bit of the pectorals there. So he's looking up, but you could also have him look down, and if he's looking down, you could keep the head pretty much there, just have the eyes like come down right there, nose come down right there, and buried in the hands. The hairline would be there in that case, the ears around there. And of course you could have him completely looking down, which means that you would bring the head back around here, bring the head lower. So this is now all here. So that blue frame you see is all here. Part of the ears will show right there, and there will be a little bit of striation or some definition in the muscle tone that suggests that he's hanging his like neck low, and that will do it. So 3 face placements from that simple pose. Very fun to draw. Please do try it yourself, and let us have your comments. Please do subscribe, keep in touch. Thank you very much for watching. We appreciate it very much. Till the next video, have yourself a wonderful day.